New DES-DD23 dumps questions have been released for Specialist, Implementation Engineer, PowerProtect DD exam. DES-DD23 exam dumps contain 54 practice exam questions and answers, which ensure that you can pass actual DELL EMC DES-DD23 exam successfully. This video share free DES-DD23 dumps as the demo questions to help you check the high quality of DES-DD23 dumps questions. Question number 1. An administrator has retained snapshots for a single M tree and is trying to create a new one. An error message is received. What is the reason for the failure? A. The maximum number of snapshots has been exceeded. B. The user does not have the permission to retain more snapshots. C. There are not enough snapshot licenses. D. The DDoS needs to be upgraded. Answer. A. Question number 2. A technician is upgrading a DD9400 with a DS60 expansion shelf with 60 drives. In the GUI interface, only 30 drives are accessible. What is causing these drives to be inaccessible? A. There are not enough cache drives on the DD9400 to support the extra capacity. B. A second SAS connection from DD9400 to DS60 is not activated. C. There are not enough spare drives. D. The capacity license applied is only for 30 drives. Answer. B. Question number 3. An administrator is configuring a Google Cloud Provider Cloud Unit on their DD9900. Which certificate must be imported before adding the Cloud Unit? A. S3 Flexible. B. Root CA. C. Global Sign Root R1. D. Global Sign Root R2. Answer. D. Question number 4. An administrator recognizes poor network performance when using CIFS shares from a PowerProtect DD system. The network link utilization is under 100%. What is the most likely cause of this issue? A. TCP window size too small. B. TCP timeout too small. C. TCP timeout too large. D. TCP window size too large. Answer. B. Question number 5. The Finance Department requires PDFs older than 90 days to be archived through Cloud Tier into Azure Blob Storage. They want any PDFs older than 180 days archived into AWS S3. Which data movement policy is used to archive files into Azure Blob Storage? A. App-driven. B. Age-based. C. Age range. D. Recall. Answer. B. Question number 6. Which component of PowerProtect DD is data invulnerability architecture a feature of? A. VTL. B. DDoS. C. DD Boost. D. CIFS. Answer. B. Question number 7. A backup administrator is tasked with verifying the compression savings of a PowerProtect DD9900. Which compression algorithm will they see enabled by default? A. LZW, B. GZ fast, C. LZ, D. GZ. Answer B. Question number 8. A backup administrator has enabled the retention lock feature on their PowerProtect DD appliance. Over time, the administrator noticed an increase in file system utilization. Upon further investigation, the administrator discovered expired files are still present on the appliance. What is the most likely reason for this issue? A. The time of the file was set below the minimum retention period. B. Retention lock feature was disabled before the expiration date. C. File system cleaning was disabled. D. Backup application failed to delete the file after expiration. Answer D. Question number 9. When the PowerProtect DD system boots up for the first time, the CLI configuration wizard script does not start automatically. Which command can be used to start the script manually? A. Configure terminal, B. Config setup, C. Setup config, D. Config wizard. Answer B. Question number 10. When using CIFS from a PowerProtect DD system, what should be changed on a Windows machine? A. SMB timeout to 7,200 seconds. B. CIFS timeout to 3,600 seconds. C. SESSTIMEOUT to 7,200 seconds. D. SES timeout to 3,600 seconds. Answer D.